Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be vlogging my experience at the Prose Juneteenth market. This was their second Juneteenth market showcasing black creatives, entrepreneurs. It was really great and I felt so good to be invited. I'm going to show you guys my everything that I saw basically. This was the space where they had it, which was very beautiful. It was at a lobby of a hotel. We had food, and we had um, vendors there where we can interact and learn more about their brand. It was also like a networking event as well to meet other creatives in the same space. This was one of the vendors, which was Hey Girl Hey. This is a fun card. You guys should check them out on Instagram. It's a fun game to play amongst your group of friends. This is also another vendor. He was selling oils. The scents are amazing. If you're someone that like oils, definitely check him out. Of course, we had other vendors there. There was an author there with her books. We had another group of guys who were selling body butter, and we have jewelries as well. It was a really enriching experience. I got to see how the different vendors brought their brand's mission to life. And Prose, we know, is all about personalization and sustainability to life. And I also appreciated how the conversations were genuine and the connections, and everyone was just letting loose and connecting with one another. Just to highlight what I was wearing, I had on a white cute slippers, or should I say sandals, with a black dress and Ankara top. Details of the Ankara top coming soon. It is from our clothing brand. We do customization of dresses for weddings and all of that. So yes, guys. So after this event, we decided to just walk around the city since it was, Juneteenth weekend, my sister and my friend. It was nice. By the way, I made the hair. So just decided to showcase her hairstyle again. It's all about creativity. Walking by, we saw this event and we decided to go a little closer. It was actually really amazing. The weather was crazy hot, but it was still nice to see people coming together to celebrate. Guys, this was really fun, and hopefully I get to vlog more often for this channel for you guys to see. This is the full outfit, and I just want to say shout out to Pros. If you guys have never heard of this brand, they offer skincare and they offer hair products as well. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.